Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I did these beautiful press-ons from beginning to finish. And I'm going to be explaining everything the whole way through. And I really hope that you guys like this video. I think this design turned out so cute. So if you would like to see how I did this whole process, then please keep watching. Hey you guys, so before we start, I really wanted to tell you guys that if you really like this video, please subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it, and it only takes 1 second. So yeah, if you do, I'm gonna be so happy. Thank you. Okay, you guys, so we're gonna be getting started. I'm gonna start off by kind of showing you guys the colors that I will like most likely end up using. They're kind of like my inspo colors I really love. And I'm going to be linking everything that I use in this video down below as well. I had a lot of fun doing this set because she literally told me that she wanted a strawberry themed set, but that I can do whatever I wanted to do. So I was already really excited, and I for sure wanted to use pink and red as my colors because that was like some of the inspo that we had. And yeah, so basically I get these little nail tip stands from Amazon. I get the little putty from Amazon as well. And let me know if you guys have any questions down below about anything at all. I'll be more than happy to answer them. So right here, I'm going to be going in with this color, Fancy Princess from iGel Beauty. I did notice right away that it wasn't as pink as I originally wanted it to be, but I didn't really think about it like right away, I guess you could say. I was like, okay, maybe this will work and it'll look cute with the red, but then as I started going on and I already dried it in the lamp, I was like, okay, this is definitely not going to work. So I do end up going in with like a pink, really sheer pink color. If you have like a pink jelly, I think they're called like jelly colors or something like that. If you have a pink one, you can kind of use that on any top like surface that's like really light colored, and you can make it more pink, which is what I ended up doing, and I ended up making the color that I wanted. So yeah, that's what I ended up doing. So I am going to be going in with that red color that you guys just saw. This is one of my all-time favorite reds ever. It's like the most beautiful cherry red. It's like really stunning. So I am going to be going in with a few coats of that just because it's kind of sheer. And in a second, I'm going to show you guys how I use the really sheer pink color to kind of make this even brighter, a brighter pink, which is like what I wanted it to originally be. And I do have pink colors already, but I had already started using this. So I just wanted to kind of add on to it, I guess you could say. And I am going to add a disclaimer right here. I am going to be talking throughout the video because this is an in-depth tutorial. So yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know. So once I had my sheer pink color on there, I ended up going in with this glittery color, and you can kind of use either like a glittery color that it's very sheer, or you can use a glitter top coat as well. I just prefer to use this for press-ons most of the time just because using a loose glitter is usually too thick and not the consistency I'm looking for. So right here is where I'm finally going to start going in with my design. I'm going to be taking my dotting tool. I get these on AliExpress, and I'm going to be drawing little, I guess you can say rounded out triangles. This is the easiest way that I can kind of explain it, but this is going to be our little strawberries, or these are going to be our little strawberries. And then I'm going to be basically using this small dotting tool as well. So I really love this design just because it's specifically really easy to do, and everything's really affordable. So if you think about it, like, these dotting tools are really affordable. I'll link some from AliExpress down below that I've bought that I really love. If you're willing to wait for how long they take, I really recommend AliExpress because, I mean, you have to look at reviews, like, for sure, because sometimes, like, there's some sketchy sellers that'll probably like have bad reviews and you might not get your package. It's happened to me a few times before, but they're things that are like $1, so it doesn't bother me too much, but $1 is $1 and it does add up. So basically, yeah, just be careful. But I'm gonna link my AliExpress stuff down below. And these little D&D gel polishes, like this red one right here, these are like less than $5. You can like look at your local nail supply. You guys, most of you guys probably already know what these are, like D&D gels, but if you're a beginner, just in case. I like to bring it up just because when I was a beginner, I didn't like know anything at all. So yeah, these are like less than $5. I get them from tuliprealdeal.com, so I'll link that down below as well. So once my little strawberry bases are dry, I'm going in and drawing the cute little stems, or like the leaves, I guess you could say. So I'm taking a super thin liner brush, and I'm gonna just draw little basically like 3 little lines going on top, like one, and then I'm gonna draw another one, and then like one sticking out of the middle. But you can pretty much get creative with it. Draw the leaves however you think they look cute. I really try to make them not look like tomatoes, but yeah, I think they turned out really cute in the end. And this little brush that I'm using, I actually got on AliExpress as well, so I'm gonna be linking all of my little tools and stuff down below. Don't mind my hands that look crusty. At this point, I had been like doing press-ons all day, and my hands were just stained with gel everywhere. So yeah, sorry about that. So now what I'm going to be doing is taking my smaller dotting tool, and I'm going to be taking a little bit of white polish, and I'm just going to be drawing on the little seeds. I really like using a super tiny dotting tool because I like when the seeds look super small. Basically I try to make it look as realistic as I can, even though of course they're not realistic, I guess you could say, but you know, I like when I try to like add really nice small details because I feel like it really adds and makes a difference to your design. But yeah, I love how this design is just so beginner friendly though. Like anyone can literally do this, which is like the most amazing part about it, because it looks so cute and it looks like you you know, you really have to try hard for it, but it's really easy to do. And right after this, I think I'm gonna start on my favorite part, which is gonna be adding these cute little gems. You can see I'm kind of throwing some on the table here. I didn't know what I was gonna use at first. That huge strawberry just looks really cute, but honestly, if we're being honest, like a day-to-day customer won't really want that on their nails. I would totally get that on my nails, like that's so cute, and the big gems and stuff don't really bother me. But yeah, I don't end up using that one. I end up using these cute little hearts and stuff, so you guys are going to see what I end up doing with that. But I did take all of this out just so that you guys can see kind of what my thought process was while I was doing it. I was kind of trying to get creative. You could see right there I was trying to add that little strawberry in the middle. Really get creative with like your designs, your nail charms, your gems, everything, because there's so many endless possibilities. And the best part about nails is that they're, well, not nails in general, I guess nail designs, is that there are no rules. You can do your design however you want to do it, and you know, especially if you get super creative, it's going to turn out super cute in the end, and it's going to be super unique because you're the one that created it and came up with it. So yeah, you're going to see here I kind of play around with different designs to see what I want to do, and I'll be back in a second to tell you guys what I do with the gems. So right here, I'm kind of just grabbing this little heart charm, kind of placing it around here. I thought that it looked so cute with like a strawberry in the middle, which is why I really wanted to do this design, and I kept trying it out. But I was so excited to use these because I've had them for months and months and months, and I've never gotten to use them. So when this opportunity came up, I was like, oh my gosh, this is the perfect time to use some really cute nail charms and like nail art stuff. So I am going to be taking my Zulays Nail Shop Bling adhesive, and I'm going to be adhering these super well onto the nail. When I use this glue to adhere my huge charms, they literally do not come off. Like, they are stuck on there. Like, I remember I had a set on, and I had like this huge nail charm. I think it was like a huge like diamond spider for Halloween, and I couldn't get it off at all. Like, I was using pliers, I was using cuticle nippers, and they weren't coming off. Like, the nail charm was not coming off, and it was like literally insane because it was stuck on there forever, and I couldn't get it off. As hard as I tried to do it, it would not come off. So yeah, I highly recommend this glue. I also use it for all of my nail charms, nail rhinestones, and basically anything that I have to adhere to the nail. And I always get that question, which is like what I use to adhere my gems, and this is it, and it's the best thing ever. And I'll link it down below for you guys. So right here, I was trying my best to try and get a really good angle for you guys of how I apply the glue into any type of open spaces when you're applying a big nail charm. As you can see, I kind of turned the nail around and try to put the glue into the little cracks and crevices. This also helps so that the nail charms don't snag on your hair and stuff like that. I know a lot of people have concerns about that. When I try to get my clients and stuff to like get rhinestones, they're always like, oh my gosh, I don't know if they're gonna get it caught in my hair and things like that. So I always tell them, like, don't worry, I can adhere them really well so that they don't, like, you know, have any open spaces. But you know, you just have to be really careful. And right here I'm also going to be using it to apply my really tiny little gems. And yeah, I think that's it. That's all I was going to say about that. But yeah, basically I add it into every crack and crevice that I can to make sure that this gem or this rhinestone or whatever you want to call it does not come off. So another question that I get asked really often is where I get my nail charms or my nail gems and stuff. I literally get this question so often, it's crazy. So I get them from a lot of different places actually, which is why I never really know what to answer. These ones right here I got from Tulip Nail Supply, which I'll also link down below. They have amazing gems and they're really, really beautiful quality. So if you want to try them out, I highly recommend it. Whenever I tag Tulip Nail Supply, it's called tuliprealdeal.com. That's actually my local nail supply. So like I've been into their store, I've seen what they have, and they have amazing stuff and amazing products. So you can like trust their website and stuff. But that's where I got these. I also get some from AliExpress, which is if you really, really look carefully on AliExpress, you'll find really nice gems that aren't like plastic. Like, okay, they might be plastic, but most of the time I search up like glass rhinestones and stuff just to make sure that they're high quality but yet still affordable. You can also get some on Etsy. You can get them like on so many different places. Amazon has been having really good ones as well. Honestly, my biggest advice to find rhinestones is to just look at reviews. The reason why I can't really give you guys so many AliExpress ones, I can like link some down below for you guys so you guys can check them out, look at the reviews and stuff, is because AliExpress tends to like put stuff up for a few months and then like I'll be able to buy something and then they'll take it down. They'll take the whole link down, which gets kind of frustrating because then I can't give the link to people that want it. So yeah, things like that also happen a lot. But I'm going to be linking down some of my favorites down below if I can find them. Hopefully I can. I haven't bought any in a few months just because when I had bought some, I had bought like one whole pack, but it comes with a lot of them. I think they come with like 1,000 pieces. So I'm gonna link some Amazon ones down below. I'm gonna link a bunch of different stuff down below, and I'll title them in the description box so that you guys know like what it is when you're clicking it. So you guys can see rhinestones with all different price ranges and stuff like that. But this is the design I decided to do, and it's so cute. Like, oh my gosh, I don't know why, but I love these nails so much. And I actually ended up adding that red glitter that I showed you guys in the beginning on top of this red. And I don't know if I mentioned it, but I do also get this red glitter from tuliprealdeal.com, and that's where I get all of my gel polishes because I go in store here in San Jose. So yeah, that's like my favorite type of gel, is like those glittery ones. So right here I'm taking my No Cleanse gel top coat. This one is from iGel Beauty. It's one of my favorites. And I'm kind of just like flooding the inside of this little heart with gel polish, or gel top coat, I guess you could say, because I wanted to make it look like the little strawberry or whatever was kind of like floating in there, like not in floating but like encapsulated in a way, like if it was resin or something like that. And then I do go around and I started top coating the nails as well. I do go around the rhinestones because I don't want to alter the shine, but you could also go on top of them. It's just up to your preference and whatever you think looks better. For the small little rhinestones, like the thumbnail that I did, I do go over them just because they're so small that you're not even going to alter the shine that much. And it would be kind of hard to go around them with the specific design that I did here. But yeah, as you can see, I'm going over them and you can't really tell that much. It's more so for the big rhinestones that you don't want to put top coat on top of them. And I did forget to mention that after I put the rhinestones on with the Zulays glue, I do use the Hurry Up nail glue dryer. I spray it on the nails, let it sit there for like a while, and then I clean it with an alcohol, not an alcohol wipe. I clean it with like, what are they called? The lint-free wipes. And then I have a little pump with alcohol in it, and I pump the alcohol in there and then I clean it off, because if you use that hurry up nail glue dryer and then put top coat on top like right away, it could possibly like mess up your top coat. So yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that as well. And I love that nail glue dryer. I'm gonna also link that down below. I usually get it on eBay or Amazon. Okay guys, I'm so sorry if I'm being like annoying and talking so much, but I did want to say really quickly that if you have never heard of the Hurry Up Nail Glue Dryer, you guys might have heard of the Mia Secret, I think it's called the Gel Resin Activator or something like that. It's like a little tiny spray bottle and it's kind of expensive. Not really, I mean, it's definitely affordable, but the Hurry Up Nail Glue Dryer is the exact same thing as that, except it comes in a big aerosol, I think they're called aerosol bottle or like can, and they're like less expensive and you can get like a lot of them in bulk if you use it a lot. But yeah, just in case you guys weren't aware like what that is or like what it does, it's the same thing as that Mia Secret one, so they serve like the same purpose. Okay, you guys, so the nails are all finished, and what I actually do, and I forgot to mention it, is I actually file the tops of the nails once I put all the top coat on and everything. I do it at the very end because sometimes applying so many layers of gel can alter your shape or the shape of the nails. So I really like to make sure I file the tops just to make sure they're super nice and straight and your shape is really nice. So now I'm grabbing them and I'm putting them right here. You guys can see these really cute nails that I did on top. This was also one of her sets. And I actually filmed that set, so let me know if you guys want to see it. I just didn't know if I should upload it or not because I was like, I don't know if people want to see that, but they did turn out super cute, and I would really love to upload that if you guys want to see it. So yeah, ignore my crusty hand, I'm so sorry about that, but I am putting these all on this little piece of tape and then they're gonna be all ready to go. I really hope you guys like this video. I'm going to insert a little clip of what the nails look like towards the end right here. And let me know if you guys have any questions about anything down below. I'll be happy to answer your questions. And let me know if you guys would like to see like a nail Q&A video. I can answer any type of nail related question, personal question, whatever you have, I will answer for you. And I can do it like as a voiceover maybe on top of like me doing a set or something. So let me know what you guys think about that video idea, and I really hope you guys have an amazing day. Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe. So yeah, bye.